Good morning. I'm in the nursery. We got the dresser moved in last night. I am 35 and a half weeks, almost 36 weeks. So I thought I would do like a little check-in vlog. I'm gonna set up, I think, some shelves over this and the baby monitor, and we have my maternity pictures today. I think we were gonna do them Monday, but it's supposed to rain. So I think she's gonna come out and take our pictures today. So I'm excited about that. And I thought I would just do a little video and record it for me and if anybody else wants to watch it, obviously. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a little look at the nursery right now. So let's see. So I'm just gonna show you, I'm sitting. Hey, puppy. He's moving a bunch. I don't know if you can see it. Hey, puppy. But we switched. I moved the crib over here. I think it's gonna give us a little bit more room because it just doesn't come, it comes out so much farther than the dresser. Got this cart on Amazon. Need to finish putting it together. I'm gonna put my pump on there. I'm still waiting on that to get here. And then I got the dresser in here. Like I said, I'm gonna put some shelving up here. I wanna get it at least cleaned up because I think we're gonna take some pictures in here. Hi, baby. What are you doing? What you doing, baby? So I sterilized all these last night and covered them so the cats wouldn't get on them. So now I'm gonna put them in some storage bins and then find a place in our pantry for them. So I cleared out about this half of the shelf, and I've got bottle parts in here. They're still drying a little, so I was waiting to put it back together. Some of the breast milk storage bags, and then I'll just put more like baby stuff, maybe like pump parts and other stuff in there, but at least it's got its own little space. And then I just stuck a box if I need more storage for later. So I think I'm gonna move this banner to the other side over the crib and then potentially hang some shelves and another picture up here. So I'm trying to motivate myself. We ate breakfast and now I'm just been sitting in this chair because I'm so tired. But I want to get it done because, like I said, we're supposed to have pictures taken, so I want this room to look. At least I need to shove all this stuff in the closet. There's a lot on the floor. So, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Yeah, that looks good. Perfect. Okay, so I have two shelf options. Let's see if you can see me. So I have these shelves, like the ones that are in the bathroom. They're just wood floating shelves. So this is an option. I also have this shelf that I made. And we usually have a bunch of plants on them. Can you see that? So I'm thinking maybe putting that in the corner. This shelf up here, and then I have a picture and two lights I could put over here. So potentially so many choices. I have the holes drilled. Potentially I found where the studs are. Figure out where I want to hang it. help me. Never mind.
Dude, I thought you were gonna strip those.
No, I think 2 different weights is fine. So I have this, and then I think maybe somehow these 2 lights. I'm not sure. I think like one here.
See Olive?
What?
See her?
Oh, goodness, Olive. Like, come here. Turn it around so you can see. Who's in there? Someone thinks they're the baby. Style it a little. Maybe. How's this? I could put it there maybe. Zach's mom gave us a couple of like little trinkets. My best friend gave me this little mouse I think I'm gonna put up there, but I think I'll probably put it away at some point, and then when he starts to lose his teeth, get it back out. Pacifiers are in there. Push this thing back. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I think I'm gonna curl my hair. I had it blown out the other day and I didn't feel like washing it. Let the makeover montage begin. So we did take our pictures. I think you just saw me in my like sundress that I wore. I was gonna take some video of us shooting, but we were just running all over the place, so I didn't really get any footage of it, but it went really well, and I'll insert some pictures of how they turned out. And once I get them back, I'll insert some pictures of how they turned out. There was like a storm coming, so we ended up having to shoot outside first. I think we were only outside for about 15 minutes, and we just took some pictures in our front yard and our backyard. It's July here, so there's a lot of stuff in bloom, so I think they turned out really good. We'll see. And then we shot some inside, and it's funny. I hope they turn out good. It was really out of my comfort zone. I know you see a lot of people posing like in their underwear and stuff, but as like a normal person that doesn't model or do anything, like it was like, I don't know, I'm kind of nervous to do this. So I ended up wearing a black sportswear and black underwear and a cardigan to kind of like cover a little bit. But I think it turned out really good. I think she said she's never really shot maternity this late. She said she usually shoots people around 30 weeks, and I was almost 36 weeks when we were shooting. So I have like a legit belly, and I'm like nervous because obviously who wouldn't be, but also I think looking back on these pictures, I'll be glad that I have them. I don't know what that noise was. So I will insert some pictures And right now we're headed to an infant CPR class. I'm 37 weeks tomorrow, which is crazy. I'll talk to you later.